Good afternoon, everyone, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Automatic Prominence feature in iOS 13. Let's begin this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the gray settings icon. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll down the list and you're going to find the option that says FaceTime. After you have found the FaceTime option, please click on FaceTime. After you have done that, please search for something that says Automatic Prominence. And after you have found it, please turn it on or off depending on what your preference is. I prefer to have this feature off. Now, what Automatic Prominence does is that if you're on a group FaceTime call, whoever is talking during the FaceTime call, their tile gets enlarged. And for me, I don't like that. I find it to be a little bit distracting. And so that's why I have turned it off. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.